Here's the breaking news. HVAC business owners, listen up. The AI revolution in HVAC lead generation. Let me show you exactly how this AI powered system works. Starting with the most critical piece, high intent lead generation. Before we dive in, I need you to understand something crucial. This isn't about getting more leads, it's about getting the right leads. Think about your current lead generation process. You're probably running some Google ads, maybe doing some social media, and hoping referrals come in. Here's the problem. Everyone else is doing the same thing. And when everyone follows the same playbook, you end up competing on price. Here's where AI changes everything. Instead of casting a wide net and hoping for the best, we use AI to identify patterns in your most profitable past customers. What neighborhood did they come from? What type of homes do they own? What's their income level? What words did they use when they first contacted you? The AI analyzes thousands of data points to create what we call a premium customer profile. This isn't just basic demographics, it's a deep psychological profile of your ideal customer. Someone who values quality over price, who's willing to pay premium rates for premium service. Once we have this profile, we feed it into our AI ad optimization system. This system doesn't just target demographics, it targets behaviors. It looks for homeowners who've recently searched for specific HVAC related terms, who've visited certain websites, who've shown pattern of behavior that match your premium customer profile. You see, this is where you now get premium customers. And then that's the second pillar in this AI system is the automated lead nurturing. Now, here's where most HVAC companies drop the ball. They get a lead and either call them immediately, which can feel pushy sometimes, or wait too long. By this time, the lead had gone cold. Our AI system takes a different approach. The moment a lead comes in, they are entered into what we call a smart nurture sequence. This isn't just typical email autoresponder. The AI analyzes their initial inquiry, the words they use, the time they submit, the device they're using, and customizes the entire follow-up sequence. For that will be difficult for a human to follow up with. For example, if someone inquires about a new AC installation at 11 p.m. using their iPhone, the AI knows this is likely a busy professional who values convenience. The follow up sequence will emphasize your 24/7 availability and premium installation service. If someone inquires about repairs during business hours from a desktop computer, the sequence might focus more on your warranty and long-term reliability. You see how this becomes really valuable? The third pillar is what we call authority positioning. This is where we really separate you from the competition. The AI system monitors all your online channels, Google reviews, social media, website comments, and identifies opportunity to showcase your expertise. When someone leaves a review, the AI drafts a personalized response that emphasizes your professionalism and expertise. When someone has a question on social media, the AI helps craft an answer that positions you as an authority. But here's the real game changer. The AI creates what we call authority content. These are educational posts, video, and articles that address the exact question and concern your target market has. Custom generated, you can maintain a consistent content, and because it's AI generated, you can maintain a consistent content presence without spending hours creating content and without spending hours on camera. Isn't that cool? The fourth pillar of the system is this: sales optimization. This is where everything comes together. By the time a lead reaches your sales process, they've been pre-qualified, educated, and positioned to see you as the premium choice. But we don't stop there. The AI analyzes every sales call you have, identify pattern in successful conversions, what question led to higher close rate, what pricing discussion worked best, right? This data feeds into a dynamic sales script that adapts in real time closing during your calls. For example, if a prospect mentioned energy efficiency 3 times during a call, the AI prompts your sales team to focus on your premium energy efficient solution. You see, when in your sales call, your sales team might not even notice that, oh, this person keep mentioning energy efficient, because sometimes they just concerned about, okay, how do I get this sale? How do I answer this person's question? What's the next question to ask? But when you're working with data that's collated by AI, is able to pinpoint a pattern in that customer's inquiry and then suggest to you the direction that sales call should go. If they mention their children multiple times, the script shifts to emphasize their quality and safety. You see how important that is, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds complex, but here's the beauty of AI. Once it's set up, it runs 24/7 with minimal input from you. Here's how you can implement a system like this. Let's say week one, you can analyze your current customer base and set up the AI targeting system. During this phase, you can identify your most profitable customer segment and create your premium customer profile. And then the next 2 weeks, you can implement the automated nurture sequence and begin testing different messaging approaches. The AI starts learning which message resonates best with different types of leads. And then after that, the next phase, you can launch your authority positioning campaign, creating your first batch of AI generated content and setting up the review management system. And then your next phase could be implementing the sales optimization system, training your team on how to use the AI powered sales script and tracking tools. Let me share a recent case study. Mike, an HVAC owner in Phoenix, was struggling with price shopping customers and inconsistent lead flow. Within 90 days of implementing the system, his average ticket price increased by 20%. His closing rates went from 20% to 35%, and he was consistently booking premium jobs. The key wasn't just getting more leads, it was getting the right leads and converting them more effectively. The AI system helped him identify and target homeowners who value quality over price, and then guided them through a sales process that emphasized the premium service. Now, you might be wondering if this will work in your market. The beauty of AI is that it adapts to your specific situation. Whether you are in a wealthy suburb or middle class neighborhood, the system learns very quickly what works best for your market. But here's the thing, the window of opportunity for this system may not last forever. As more HVAC companies adopt this system, the advantage of being an early adopter will diminish. The companies that implement this system now will have a significant head start in building their premium customer base. And once you have them, right? If you're ready to transform your HVAC business and start attracting premium customers who value quality over price, here's what you need to do next. Click the link below to schedule your strategy session. Let's transform your HVAC business into a premium, highly profitable operation that runs like clockwork. A great day.